Okay, so we are doing another unboxing of a Lexin speaker, and we're going to be giving away 4 of them. 4 of them. Not today, but we're going to give away 4 of them. I'm trying to figure out what kind of number I want to hit. So let's go for 52,000 subscribers. We're coming up on 51, so another 1,000 subscribers. We'll give away 4 of these. Yeah? So we'll talk about the actual giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. And right now we're going to take a look at what this is all about on their Amazon site, and what's in the box, and we'll connect it to my phone and see how it sounds. So if you've watched our channel previously, we have reviewed the big brother of this, the Lexin. I can't remember what it was called. Oh yes, the Lexin Base Bucket. Now this was a fairly expensive, not like crazy expensive, but definitely way more expensive than this one. But it was also incredibly loud and good size, heavy, like good quality out of it, had like lights, etc., etc. That's it right there, $229 US. So this one's not going to be that. Just realize it's the Model S. So this one comes in right now about $40 US or $52 Canadian, depending if you're buying it on Amazon.com or Amazon.ca. So what does it say? It's a Bluetooth speaker. Helmet style portable speaker. It's not an actual helmet, just be aware of that. Powerful loudspeaker, deep bass, IPX4, so you should be fine if it gets caught in rain. Supports TWS pairing for outdoor, travel, party, and you can get it in this rose gold or gray. I think we got it in the gray. I do like the whole motorcycle styling thing. I think that's kind of cool. And I do believe, because it has this pairing, that if you have 2 of them, I believe that you can pair them together. It does say it's got a 2,000 milliamp battery in it to give it 6.5 hours of continuous play. Very cool. I would believe that you could just plug it in and it would just play off of that. Portable design, widely compatible. It also says, that's kind of nice, you don't see this on all of them, you can also use a 3.5mm audio cable to transmit audio play from desktops or gaming consoles directly to this. So again, let's say maybe, and I don't have 2 of them to test, but maybe if you had 2 of these, you lined in from your computer, you could have 1 on each side and stereo. Maybe that's a possibility. I'm not 100% sure. But I have to say, I love the whole helmet design stuff. I have no idea really how big it is. All right, let's take a look. This is the box. This is the box here, compared to hand, right? So it's decent size. It's not crazy big, but decent size. There's going to be your premium sound. Oh yeah, see, you can get 2 SmartLink music sharing right there. See that? Right there. Boom. So it does have that. That would be pretty sweet. 10 hours of battery life. Water resistant. This says 10 hours of battery life. It said 12 on here, I think. We'll go with 10. Ultra HD sound, USB-C charge, and what is that? Patented appearance design. All right, that's what it is. Talking about the giveaway a little bit, which we'll talk more of. Lexin is going to send them direct to you, so I don't have to deal with the shipping. Now, just realize we are sending 2 out to 2 winners in Canada and 2 to 2 winners in the continental US. Okay, so I believe it has to be the lower, what is it, lower 48, lower 49, lower the under Canada states. So just kind of be aware of that. Open. And not my decision, Lexin's decision. Oh, it's Wii. It is Wii. Oh, isn't that the cutest little thing? Does it have any little... It's not keychain size, but it's definitely portable for sure. Like, I brought the big one, the base bucket, with me on a trip, and it was great, but it was heavy, so carrying it around definitely added some weight. How to use the Model S, lovely manual. Lovely manual indeed. And I'm guessing this would talk to you about, especially if you're pairing multiple together. And there's the different ports. It's got the same kind of X and everything on the top as the base bucket. So you do get an auxiliary cable, which is excellent because you don't always get one of those. And they're nice long cables for sure. And you get a USB-A to USB-C. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. Okay, that's it. Little feet on the bottom, so she sits like this, right? But yeah, if you had two of those just outside your laptop, how sweet would that be? Oh, Lexin, if you want to send me another gray one, put those on both sides of my laptop, that would look smoking. I'm telling you, just because it's cool. So yeah, so on the back, this is like a little carry strap, because I guess that's something people would do. What do you have here? Yeah, so this is because it's IPX4, right? This is going to be a decent seal here. So yeah, there's your USB. There's your 3.5 millimeter, 1/8 inch jack. It's got, again, it's a lovely seal on there for sure. These are going to be like your tweeters. I don't know if it's got anything at the bottom. I'm guessing the sub kind of area is this one. And then on the top, you got power, I guess mode, and then I would think forward and backwards, maybe volume. Let's bring up my phone and do some non-copyrighted music. So let's do that. All right, Bluetooth right to the bottom. Okay, where are we? There we are. And there's the power button. Yes. Has a motorcycle 100% motorcycle start like the big one did, and it comes up in pairs. And there it is, Model S.
Pairing successful.
Sweet deal. You get a little blue light. Where is it? See it right there? Blue light that's flashing. This is the only light that this one has. And I'm not expecting huge sound out of this, right? And again, it's only like $50 Canadian and $40 US. You'd get definitely better sound out of the big one. The big one has crazy good sound. But are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, let's try, I don't even know, Fiona Hart Storms. Oh, that sounds good already. It's very, like, it's clean.
Sail on off the radar, adventure.
If you had two of them, I think that would be actually really good.
Trouble, it will find you.
Okay, that's decent. I'm down. Okay, let's try something else, right? Let's go. I don't even know what these songs are, but they're all copyright free. Ready? Okay, so it is definitely made in high-end pronounced. Like that's what it has, and it makes sense, right? Because when you think about it, that's your speaker, and that's your speaker, and you have another little speaker in here. So how much of a sub are you going to get out of this? How much low end are you going to? Not a lot, for sure. It's not a lot there at all. So if you're like, oh, maybe I'll get a bunch of these, I can just jam out to the parties, right? No, it's probably not going to be what you want. I'd spend a little bit more and go to like, well, a fair bit more and get their bass bucket if you like the helmet style. But for something that, you know what, you're taking on holidays or you want to throw in the back of your motorcycle, so when you're traveling or whatever, you can just kind of pull this out. Huge conversation starter. Does this lift or anything? No. Conversation starter. And I would think if you had two of them, it would sound even better. Yes? We'll try one more. One more just for fun's sake. I don't even know what this is. Like, so it's got some low end, but I think if you're looking for that, like really boom, 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 it just doesn't have speakers big enough to do that, number one. Two is it doesn't have a housing big enough to be able to do that. And then the last one probably is most speakers that really do have a good low-end boom have like a rear firing speaker, which of course this doesn't have, right? So it's definitely coming out of there and coming out of there for sure, right? So, but if you're someone who listens to like this kind of music, like this, yeah, that sounds all right. That's okay, especially at 39 bucks US. That's decent. All right, guys. I do have links down below to where you can pick these up. Now, here's the deal. Here's the deal for the giveaway. So we are giving away 4 of these. So for our Canadian subscribers, we are going to be giving away. We are going to. Am I on the Canadian one right here? Yeah. We're going to be giving away 1 gray and 1 gold. Yes, 1 gray and 1 gold. For our US subscribers, we are giving away a black one and a blue one. I do like the blue one. I have to admit, I like that blue one. And they don't have it in Canada. We just don't get it. Right? They get all the colors. We get not all the colors. So, black and blue if you're in the US, gray and gold if you're in Canada. So, 2 and 2. Now, the other thing is, of course, you have to like the video. You have to subscribe to our channel to be a winner. And last but not least, for us to be able to pick you on this video here, right now, you have to leave a comment down below. Just tell me why you want to win. Why you want to win, and make sure you tell me which country you're in so that I know when we're making the draw when I've got 2 from the US and when I've got 2 from Canada. So comment-country. Comment-country. Seems easy, yeah? And then when we break 52,000 subscribers, which I'm hoping not that long, shouldn't be long. We may even be at 51,000 now when this video comes out. So once that happens, we'll do the draw. We'll let the winners know, and you have 1 week. So make sure you're subscribed. Hit the notification bell. You have 1 week after we make the draw to, because we'll do a video that shows the winners. You have to reach out and contact me. If you don't, within the week, we'll redraw. All right, guys, that's it for me today. This is the Lexin Model S Bluetooth speaker. Very cool. I love the looks. I think that's super funky for sure. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. And good luck to you guys. Comment below. Get on down there. Later.